Okay, hi, welcome back. So for today, we're going to discuss or I'm going to explain to you topics about or how are we going to solve logarithmic inequality. So we have here an inequality of the form log of x to the base b is greater than or equal to 0 or log of x to the base b is less than or equal to 0 or any variation of this type is called logarithmic inequality. So if may form tayo na ganito, that is understood that those are logarithmic inequalities. So we have here conditions. So we have here, in solving our logarithmic inequality of form, log of f of x to the base b is greater than log of g of x to the base b. That will be if our b is greater than 1, then that will be f of x greater than g of x is greater than 0. So, dapat ganito yung pagkakasolve ng inequality natin. However, if our b is greater than 0 but less than 1, then that will be written as g of x is greater than f of x, or we have here f of x is greater than 0 but less than g of x. Note that our f of x and g of x must be greater than 0. So, ito yung kailangan natin remember. Okay? So, again ha, can you remember this form? Again, if b is greater than 1, greater than tayo lahat. If b is in between, that will be we will have a less than. Okay, let's have example number 1. We have here log of 2x plus 5 is greater than log of 3x minus 1. Di ba walang base na nakasulat? That means yung b natin is equal to 10. That is common logarithm. That is greater than 1. So therefore, yung susundin natin na pattern is we have f of x is greater than g of x is greater than 0. Okay, so let's write this one in this form. So we have here, ito muna yung isolve natin ha. F of x is greater than g of x muna tayo. Okay, so we have here f of x, this is our f of x, that is 2x plus 5 is greater than our g of x, 3x minus 1. So we have here, transpose natin yung may x, tapos transpose natin yung constant. We have 2x minus 3x is greater than negative 1 minus 5. So this will be negative x is greater than negative 6. So negative divided by negative, that will be x is greater than 6. So ito yung first natin. That is x is greater than 6. Okay, that will be our f of x is greater than g of x. So ito yan. Okay, then proceed tayo sa g of x is greater than 0 natin. So, ano yung g of x? That will be 3x minus 1 is greater than 0. So, transpose natin siya 3x is greater than 1. So, our x, divide both side by 3. So, divide natin by 3, divide ito by 3. That will be x is greater than 1/3. So, ito yung dito. So, that will be, paano natin ito isulat? That will be now 1/3. Ganyan yan ha. X, we have here teka lang. Yeah, ganyan. We have here 6. Mali pala ito. We have here greater than. Okay. So that is 6. Okay. Take note. Look at how it was written. So, ito yun siya. 'Di ba? Ito yung sa f of x is greater than g of x natin. Ito naman yung g of x greater than 0. Okay. Always take note na kung magsulat tayo ng inequality from smallest tayo or from the lower limit, papunta tayo sa upper limit or sa pinakamalaki. So, if we're going to rewrite this one, this will be 1/3. Yung x natin is greater than 1/3 but less than 6. So, that will be our solution for the given inequality. Okay? So, yan yung magiging solution natin. Okay, let's proceed sa example number 2 natin. We have here example number 2. So this is our example number 2. We have here log of x minus 3 to the base of 3/4 is greater than or equal to log of x minus 1 to the base of 3/4. Again, yung b natin that is 3/4 that is less than 1 but that is greater than 0. So ano yung gagamitin natin? Balikan natin yung sa properties kanina o yung sa condition. We have here, ito yung sa condition kanina. If yung b natin is in between 0 to 1, that will be 0 to f of x greater than 0 but less than g of x. So, gayahin natin yan. That will be 0 greater than, f of x is greater than 0 and that is greater than g of x is greater than f of x. So, we have here, ano yung f of x natin? At saka ano yung g of x. So, ito yung f of x natin and ito yung g of x natin. Okay? Then, after that, we have here, okay, 0 is less than f of x. Okay, ito muna yung isolve natin. So, 0 is less than x minus 3. So, ano yung f of x natin? It is x minus 3. So, transpose natin, that is 3. Okay, that will be x is less than 3 or we have 3. That will be, yeah, tama. X is greater than 3. Sorry, that is x is greater than 3. Then, we have here next, we have f of x. F of x is less than g of x. Okay, so this will be x minus 3 is less than x minus 1. So this will be now, teka lang. Sorry, this is 2x. Sorry, this is 2x minus 3 pala. 2x minus 3. So this will be 3 divide natin by 2. That is x is greater than 3 halves. So this is 2. Okay, that will be now 2x minus x is less than negative 1 plus 3. So this is x is less than, we have here negative 1 plus 3. This is this is positive 2. Okay, so we have here now our solution that will be written as 3 over 2. Our x is greater than 3 halves but less than 2. So this will be our solution for the given logarithmic inequality. Okay, so that's it. That's how we solve our logarithmic inequalities. Okay, teka lang, wait, may equal sign pala tayo. So we have here equal sign, sorry. If may equal sign, so maglagay din tayo ng equal sign dito. Okay, so atong final answer is x is greater than 3 halves. X is greater than or equal to 3 halves but less than or equal to 2. Okay, so that's how we solve our logarithmic inequalities. So if you have question, kindly ask in the comment section below. If wala naman, then thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Again, thank you, bye bye, and God bless.